Okay. Arms out, beautiful. Why not? Eat your heart out, Patrick.
No, I've got a camera. Thank you.
Now we're going to do it over here. Well, it's video, but
I'll have to get up here on the front row to show the real family.
yeah, I do like the video. Are you ready to be on YouTube? All right, all your creditors and things like that.
Creditors. Well, I don't know. Except to that card.
I didn't take
Tickets.
Bill will make a very loud, happy announcement and start to proceed down the aisle. At that point, we would like you all to turn and face backwards so that the photographers can get pictures of the entire group of you, faces and all. Also, before the service begins, Bill and Kate have asked you all, us all, to take just a few moments to remember friends who could not be here, including especially Michael Dowd, Joe Cahill, and very particularly Gene O'Reilly.
Oh my goodness, what kind of a fun.
It's almost over with. Come on.
You can
All right, everybody hands in front. There you go. Right over here. Guts in. Great, guys.
People pay it, but then they get a rebate, which they could then spend.
That's it. All right.
All right.
Is that it?